When you start PC, the most important thing is getting a Steam account set up. Go on steam.com, download the application onto your PC, and literally start going over to the store, which I'll show you. It's very simple. Go to the store and just look at whatever they have. They always have some sort of sale, by the way. It just depends on where you're at in the season. Right now, it's for Nair or Near, however you say that. And you have good deals. You know, you find discounted games. So buy all the games that you want. After you buy all the games, you'll be in a library that looks a lot like this. You know, you'll have a bunch of different games. Okay, so but how do I get to enjoy this? Because I don't want to use a mouse and a keyboard. Don't worry, I got you. You're going to need yourself one of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and pan over here and turn on my flash and show you. This is what you're going to need. It's a Logitech keyboard that comes with a trackpad and a mouse. You can find these at Best Buy still. I was able to get mine, and it's, again, what I would recommend you use because it's just the most user-friendly in order to do everything you need to do from, again, a seated position, laying down in the bed right now, just chilling, however you want to do it, you can do that from here. Next, you're going to need a remote control of some sort, a controller, and this is the one that I'm using, right? It's the A-Power Fusion something or other, okay? And you literally just hook it up. You can have third party, you can have Microsoft, whatever it is. I like to use a wired connection for the simple reason that having a USB wire, a really long one, by literally just using a USB extender will allow you to go all the way across your room with your freaking wire and be able to stretch over to your bed. And then you can do what you need to do literally from, again, just laying down. So then the last thing that you're going to need is going to be one of these right here. This is called a SwitchBot. The SwitchBot is a very useful thing. If you can see that little rectangular button right there, this is going to be my power button, okay? I don't want to have to get up and turn it on and off every time. That's what the SwitchBot is for. It works via Bluetooth, and you literally just have it turn on and off your PC to make your PC wirelessly remote controllable so that you don't have to get up every time you want to turn it on. Now, after you've done all those things, don't feel like you have to buy, by the way, on Steam. You literally can play free games like First Descendant, which will be a blockbuster feeling type of experience for free. So again, you also have Wuthering Waves, which is another one. This is literally Wuthering Waves. And again, you have a bunch of different games that you can get involved in. So let's just do a little quick recap. You want to first get yourself a wireless keyboard with a trackpad. I'm using Logitech. You want to have yourself a mouse. Or not a mouse, a wireless controller, right? Preferably something like this, right? This is the one I chose to use. And then you're going to have it wired. You can do wireless via Bluetooth, but it sometimes drops out, and that creates some problems. So it's best to go wired when you're doing PC gaming. And then you literally have a USB extender. So USB to, let's say, USB-C, and then it goes all the way across the room. And you literally just game in bed like I'm doing right now with a controller, using this to do all the computer prompts. Again, like when you turn on the computer, you're going to need to open up Steam. You're going to use this wireless keyboard with trackpad to just open up Steam and then launch a video game. And then you're going to grab your controller like you would any console, and then you are good. Again, using the SwitchBot, you wouldn't even have to get up to do that. You could literally just turn it on wirelessly like you would with a console. And then, again, it's really that simple. And this is a good way to get started when we talk about PC gaming. I know a lot of people are intimidated by starting. Don't be afraid. It's very easy, very simple, and it is essentially the superior version of console gaming if you give it a chance. If this was something that you found helpful, let me know. If you're just starting off on PC and you have questions, ask down below. And until the next video, see you guys later.